Hello mga kablagalag! Welcome back to my channel. This time, tayo ay pupunta sa heart of the Philippines, ang Iloilo City. Shoutout nga pala kay Ma'am Lea Bautista, ang aming service. Yan, after namin mag-park dito, ihatid kami ng company ng Park and Fly papunta sa terminal na aming pupuntahan. So tara guys, lakbay tayo! So yun nga guys, kati-take off lang namin from NAIA Terminal 4 via Air Asia. So after 1 hour and 10 minutes, arrive na kami sa Iloilo International Airport as announced by our pilot. So tara, biyahe ulit! Yan. Welcome to Iloilo. Ma'am Jo, welcome to Iloilo. Kasama ko.
Good morning. Attention to all passengers of Philippine Airlines flight here from Rancho Surigao for Manila. This is not the end of boarding announcement. Once again, we are not flying
Bye!
Please remain seated with money.
Okay mga kabalagalag, this is our first day in Iloilo City. The word Iloilo City is came from the shape of the city cut by the river which is called Irong-Irong. Okay, so that is a brief history of Iloilo, mga katawagan kung bakit siya naging Iloilo guys. So napakaganda rito sa Iloilo. Ayan, so guys, mag-road trip muna tayo. Titignan natin ang mga kakalsadahan dito sa Iloilo City. Shoutout pala sa aming magiting na driver kay Kuya Victor Gomez. Ayan, siya po ang nagtutur sa amin ngayong araw na ito. So, my next vlog guys is Dagarin Farms and other historical places dito sa Iloilo. So keep on subscribing my channel and watch my latest videos. Thank you.
Hindi siya makutol. Ganda na street dito. Maliwanag siguro ito pagdating. Yung poste nila consistent